the snow now, boys. What do you think of that? That sure was some good snow today. Woo! We had fun today. Oh yeah, baby.
Woo!
Powder. Boulder Canyon.
That's sick, bro.
Boulder Canyon. Don't fall in the river.
So sicky.
So sicky. Powder Day! Woo! Powder Day! Powder Day! Look, the sun's coming out.
I can't hold my these first. They keep pulling out.
Okay, let's go look. Let's go, let's just try it. Come on. Powder Day! Woo! 2, 3, go.
Hey, today we're at the bird feeder right now, and I'm skiing now. You can see I have skis, but I don't really like coat on. So I'm gonna grab some seeds right here, and I'm gonna feed it to the birds.
Feed it to the birds. Feed it to the squirrel. Oh, he's looking at you. Little squirrely squirrel is looking at you. Oh, he's going higher. He's scared of you. You hear him? He's barking at you. All right, little Brock. Welcome to the bird feeder. Here he comes. Oh, got scared again. Whew, look at all these people flying. Beautiful day today. Look at that sun. She's going nice and slow, working on her snow plow. Yep. And they're gonna have some speed demons. Woo. Oh, you got scared.
You know that. Oh, you got scared. That's
All right. There's the bird feeder. Brought to you by Brock, the best superstar. What do you have to say, Brock?
like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Favorite song.
Sing it, Brocky! Yeah! Dance it up! Sing it! Sometimes I get a good feeling that I never had before. Who sings this song? Bye, Bo, have fun! Avicii! Woo! Let's go, Rocky! There we are. Ho hum. What do you think of Ho hum, Brock? Do you remember being here a long time ago?
Yeah. When I'm 7 years old, I shouldn't even be on
You shouldn't even be here anymore?
No.
Because you're too good? But it's nice to come back over and remember where you learned, huh? On the carpet ride. Look at the carpet ride. Oh, yeah. The tenderfoot. What do you think, little boy?
It's pretty cool.
It's a pretty day today, huh?
Yes.
Ooh, baby.
Look at it.
It's pretty.
We need that snow over here.
We do need that snow over here.
It's the first day of summer. I